Noble benches can be installed into existing showers to add storage and design flexibility. Installation is quick and easy, and the final result is seamless integration with the pre-existing space. Select one of the available Noble benches and dry fit to your space. Mark the area where the bench will be installed. Grind the existing tile within the marked area to create a binding surface for the adhesive. Clean the area of dirt and debris. Apply modified thin set to the marked area. Key in modified thin set to the sides and bottom of the bench. Trowel thin set over the sides and bottom of the bench. Embed the Noble bench into the thin set. Check for coverage, then re-embed the bench. Remove excess thin set from the sides and bottom. Apply silicone and allow to cure. The installation is complete and the Noble bench is ready for tile. Complete the tile installation according to TCNA guidelines. Noble Company offers a full line of shower products and accessories, including sheet membranes for waterproofing, crack isolation, and sound reduction, preformed corners and flashings, as well as waterproof niches, benches, and curbs. Noble also offers pre-slopes and shower bases in many sizes for many shower configurations. The ProBase 2 single slope shower kit provides a complete solution for a linear drain installation in conjunction with Noble's Freestyle linear drain, all in one box. Visit www.noblecompany.com for additional information and resources.